Alright, today we are going to... Man, it's a guessing game is what the fuck we're going to do. Looks like Paul might try and do... we're going to try and wire up the reverse switch. And then... I'm trying to think what the fuck else... Oh, he's going to put some gold heat shit on the inside. Maybe we'll throw the carpet in. And we'll try and knock out the relay panel. We got to try and get some shit done in this episode, unlike the last episode, so, and hopefully no failures today, so hopefully we accomplish everything I just said.
Alright, so connected the reverse lights up. Just took the stock one, cut that off, used this fiero part, sadly. And then that's run to the main power. Divide that up. Go there. This is the reverse lights. And then my assistant.
Fiero part, sadly.
Yeah.
You know, most of our viewers are Fiero owners.
Well, sorry for their loss. Now, hit the switch. Also known as the gear.
I don't remember where it is. Like there?
Oh yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, they look yellow on here. There they are. They're working.
Probably because of the lights. So good on camera. All right, well, look at that. Don't let it fool you. It is not the greatest. I think it's just because this isn't really like super level. It'd probably work really good on like a surface like this, and if you cleaned it, we don't really have the ability to clean. The shop vac we got is kind of fucked because I sucked up oil with it like a genius. So. But yeah, this stuff is supposed to like reflect the heat or whatever, so even though I think this is, I don't know. It should be cool. Whether it's actually doing anything, who knows? We'll know when it's too late. It's the thought that counts. But yeah, just sticking it on, and then we'll put the carpet on over it. So it's like, I don't know, it's like the duct tape consistency. So, we'll keep going. Alright, well that's how it's gonna be. It turned out actually pretty good after we figured it out. And then we also, like for spots that we're having a hard time sticking, we use some general purpose adhesive, spray that down, it worked pretty good. So now we're gonna put the carpet down and see how that looks. So let's get that knocked out.
You wanna...
Alright, so we gotta run to Home Depot, and I guess we're gonna say fuck Taco Bell today, and we're gonna do Domino Hose or Pizza Hut. We haven't decided.
We're both.
Probably Domino. Well, I don't know. Whoever's got the better deal. So, and then we're gonna we were gonna do like truck bed liner like I did on mine, but we're impatient. We don't want to wait. So we're actually gonna use some of this gold stuff under there. It should look pretty badass. But yeah, we gotta go Home Depot. We gotta get some bolts instead, so we don't have like self tappers. We need bolts for this, inside of there. And then we need to get like small tubing so we can make an oval-sized grommet down there to run all these wires through. I do believe that is it for now. We'll see what else happens in the next clip because I can't tell you. So, all right, let's do this shit on the list. All right, we're off. Now see something super depressing? Look at that shit. What the fuck? What is this, Wisconsin or some shit? All right, let's... Boom. Look at that, Home Depot. Look at it. Shit, who knows? All right, well, we got all the shit. They didn't really have much hose, so we had to use some fuel hose out of like the lawnmower section. That'll have to work for now. We really blinged out. We got some gold screws, so it should be a fucking sweet ass look. It's gonna, you know that thing you don't want to draw attention to? Yeah, it's gonna shine bright like a diamond back there. But now it's time to go get Pizza Hut, because Pizza Hut had the deal. It's like $20 for, well, they were only one topping pizzas, but 2 medium one topping pizzas, some pasta, and some breadsticks. Do you know how much fucking breadsticks at Pizza Hut are? Ridiculous. It's like $9 for a double order. Who do they think they are? Let's go get some Pizza Hut, because I'm starving. Alright, well, we had some Pizza Hut. It was delicious. We haven't had Pizza Hut in a while. Now we're out here. Check out this freaking fancy ass tripod. But we're out here. We got a shovel in between the sheds. We cleaned off the snow on the top because it's a little bit built up. We got like 4 inches of snow today. Yeah, all this would be new. So we got a reasonable amount of snow today. Nothing crazy, but got to do that, and we're gonna have to run and grab some diesel because we ran out of diesel again, even though I just filled that shit like 3 videos ago. So, all right, we'll keep going here. Look at that shit. Damn! That shit looks fucking sweet. But, well, we got that done. We'll keep going. And we just used that heat wrap, and you know, it's pretty obvious as to what else was done. Down here, we ended up using like some vacuum line. We like made an oblong hole, and then just cut the vacuum line right down one side, and then you just use it as like a grommet. It actually turned out pretty good. Yeah. So then power will go in here, and then we'll run the wires through these grommets. Yeah, looking pretty freaking sick. Yeah, we'll keep going. We'll see what else we get. Well, we ran out of heat, but we made this freaking sweet ass concoction. Holds the throttle right in there real nice. And then anywhere you see like the the self-tappers, I will be taking those out later and I'll weld it. But to prove concept, we did this. Yeah. Show you the throttle life. And it doesn't move, barely. It barely flexes that little piece there a little bit. But not really that much, so. Yeah, this turned out pretty freaking sweet. Look at that throttle. Thing is ginormous. I can almost fit my fist in that fucking intake. But, yep, so this is one more thing. I really don't know if we got anything else that we can do.
Not really.
Especially because we ran out of heat. Might have to run and grab diesel. But yeah, so we got throttle cable done. If you want to put it in reverse. Oh shit, we gotta like...
Power and all that.
Yeah, fuck that. Well, we got reverse lights now. Which will be in this video also, so you already seen that. And we got that freaking sweet thing. We put down that gold, some of that or that. We put that down on the whole freaking front end there. We put the carpet back in. I'm trying to think. I think that's it. Had Pizza Hut.
That's a real...
These are priorities. Things you really want to hear, even though you already seen them. I'm just recapping. Just trying to remember. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for this one. And we're going to end it right here on this fucker, because this thing is sick. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.